Hello artists, welcome to a new school year. Let me give you a tour of some of the basics of the art studio. We have 8 table teams in the art studio. The 6 rainbow colors, plus silver and gold. And every team has their own station for materials. Each station has a paper tray with free draw paper on the bottom shelf and hand sanitizer and a pencil sharpener nearby. In fact, we have a battalion of pencil sharpeners. 5 of the world's most amazing pencil sharpeners right here in the art studio. Each team station also has a box of materials to draw with: pencils, markers, crayons, and colored pencils. When a team is using their materials, it might look like this, where students are sharing the materials between partners. Or it might look like this, for a team that has 4 students. Student artwork is stored on these shelves in the back of the room. Each class has their own box with team folders kept inside. These folders get passed out each class, so it's easy for students to put their work away at the end of class. Some other fun parts of the art studio include the garbage and recycle bins and the classroom sink. You can find out what project we're working on by looking at the daily schedule in the front of the room. Practice, practice, practice. We do a lot of practice in the art studio. And when you need it, we have a calming space. And at the end of class, when we're done cleaning up, I will ask you to line up on your tape spot. Your tape spot is the same number as your seat. 1 person per seat, 1 person per tape spot.